Hello, colleagues. Today I will be presenting to you promoting authentic learning using the 5 E's and 4 C's. What is authentic learning? In education, authentic learning is an instructional approach that allows students to explore, discuss, and meaningfully construct concepts and relationships in contexts that involve real world problems and projects that are relevant to the learner. Children love to learn new things, discovery learning. Because of this, we can encourage them through their curiosity by making connection through experiments and experiences. Let us look at the 5 E's. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Engage. Pique a student's natural curiosity. Activate prior knowledge of the topic. Ensure the students perceive the activities as meaningful. Get students ready for the lesson. Students are naturally hands-on learners. Allow them to explore, allow them to gather data and solve problems. Allow students to interact with materials. Provide students with a chance to build their own understanding. Don't just ask them what, allow them to tell why. Give students the opportunity to explain their understanding of the topic. Help produce new knowledge and ask questions. Provide further clarification if needed. Elaborate. Allow students to apply what they have learned. Develop deeper and broader understanding, more information, and adequate skill. Challenge and extend students' understanding and skills by engaging them with new experiences. Evaluate. It encourages students to assess their understanding. It determines what the students have learned. It allows for both formal and informal assessments. Now that you know about the 5 E's, let me introduce you to the 4 C's. Our students are the 21st century learners, and in order to prepare them for a modern world, it is imperative we teach them how to communicate, collaborate, think critically and creatively. Hence, the 4 C's will help in promoting authentic learning. Walk with me as I examine each C. Communication. Communication is about sharing thoughts, questions, and ideas. Without effective communication, there is no way to get things done in the classroom, which is why it is an essential 21st century skill. Communication provides confidence and helps students to develop their self esteem. Critical thinking. Critical thinking increases motivation. Students are able to look at problems in a new way and link learning across subjects and disciplines. The aim of critical thinking is to encourage students and to ensure that the students spend most of their time creating knowledge rather than producing what they have learned. Creativity. Creativity is trying new approaches to get things done in an innovative and creative way. Creativity provides healthy emotional outlet for authentic learning. Students will be able to express themselves creatively, and this will allow less frustration. They will develop a joy for learning and acquire an appreciation for other perspectives. Collaborate. Collaboration is about working together to reach a goal. It is about putting talent, expertise, and smart to work. Collaboration encourages teamwork. Students will work together with shared responsibility as well as the need for interdependence. How can educators ensure authentic learning using 5 E's and 4 C's? When planning the lesson, ensure to plan with the students in mind. Cater to differentiated learning. Provide them with hands-on experience. Allow them to work together. Track students' progress. Capitalize on the prior knowledge. Encourage students to be creative. Keep educating yourself, colleague. Be current and participate in professional development. Finally, make sure to incorporate the 5 E's and 4 C's when planning. This will promote authentic learning experience. Thank you for listening.